In today's fiercely competitive digital landscape, your website is everything. Your web design can help make a great first impression and capture your audience's attention in mere seconds. And a well-designed website not only enhances user experience, but also significantly contributes to building brand trust and loyalty. It acts as a pivotal tool in communicating a brand's message, values, and services effectively. For many businesses, web design is not just about aesthetics. As your business's online storefront, it is key to growing your business. For that reason, a high-quality web design is not just important, it's indispensable for standing out, connecting with your audience, and driving success in a crowded marketplace. After all, a great web design can improve accessibility and the user experience. By investing in design, you can improve engagement, increase conversions, and maximize customer retention. So with all of that in mind, you may be wondering, how much do you need to invest in web design? Most web design projects on Clutch cost less than $10,000. While most web design projects are relatively affordable, some design projects can be costly due to the number of pages that need to be designed, the features that need to be included, and the web design agency's fees. In this video, we will break down web design costs to help you get a better picture of what you should budget for when hiring a web design agency. The average cost of hiring a web design company on Clutch is between $100 and $150 an hour. Because agencies often provide an hourly rate, the scope of your project is what's going to determine the cost of your web design. If you have a larger or more complex website that will require more time, effort, or experience, your project is likely to be a lot more expensive. As you create your budget, you should think about the size of your website, the features you're looking to include, the style of your website, and SEO best practices. You may also want to hire a design company for additional content creation like copywriting and graphic design, which of course will add to your web design budget. Each page has to be designed and then developed, so each page adds to the amount of time needed to build out the platform, and therefore the price. So a simple website with just a few informational pages will take significantly less time than an e-commerce platform with thousands of product pages, and therefore will be more affordable. Prices will also go up if you're dead set on having certain features or are looking for a specific style. Before you get too excited about a specific web designer, you should remember that web design trends impact the development process, and therefore your budget. Web designers need to consider the functionality of your website as well as the aesthetics. So depending on what you're looking for, your design team will need to spend time integrating each feature into their design. That includes everything from more common features like search bars and navigation menus to complex features like content management systems and, more recently, AI features like chatbots. Using a web builder can help businesses cut down on their web design costs significantly. Web designers that utilize web builders charge nearly a quarter of what custom web designers that build a website from scratch do. According to Clutch data, they usually charge between $25 and $50 an hour. Web builders are known for their ease of use, providing intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces that allow even those with no coding knowledge to craft stunning websites. They also come equipped with a multitude of customizable templates and design options, enabling brands to create a unique and cohesive online presence similar to custom web development. Even beyond design, most web builders include built-in SEO tools, enhancing the website's visibility on search engines, and integrated analytics, offering insights into user behavior and site performance. For this reason, website builders are a great option for your web design, especially if you're on a tight budget. If your business already has a website, redesigning your site can be an affordable alternative to designing and developing a completely new site. Rather than starting from scratch, a website redesign can enhance the look and feel of your website, but it doesn't address the structure or technical aspects of your platform. If you are considering redesigning your website but aren't sure about whether or not that's the best investment for your business, you really need to weigh the pros and cons. The biggest benefits of redesigning your website is that it is more cost-effective, especially if you're working on a tighter deadline. At the same time, it can help you modernize your website and update it to reflect branding changes or industry standards. However, there are limitations to what you can accomplish. A new website, on the other hand, provides a clean slate and allows you to add more modern technology. In short, if you need to make structural changes to your site, a new custom site will probably be the best use of your time. However, it will likely cost more. Whether you are redesigning your website or are planning to design a completely new website, you can probably use the same budget to estimate project costs. The primary difference in the two budgets is development. As we discussed before, you'll likely spend a lot more when building a whole new website, but for both, you will need to budget for wireframes and mockups, graphic design, asset creation, and revisions. To learn more about web design and how much it costs, check out Clutch's Web Design Pricing Guide, where we've detailed how factors like location, experience, industry, and even which web design platform you use can impact the price of hiring a web design agency.